Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can read about bag options and prices in the Frontier Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the Bag Options and Prices button. And as you can see, here's everything you need to know about this topic. So you can read about carry-on and board first baggages, checked baggages. So for example, if you're interested in the pricing, then just click on that, and then you will be able to see all the information on them. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.